What's up guys, my name is TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Optifine for the latest version of Minecraft 1.16.1. If you head across to the Optifine download page, you'll notice that the Optifine 1.16.1 or 1.16 point anything download link is missing. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can download it and install it from the official Optifine page. But first, before we get to downloading Optifine, you need to make sure that Minecraft 1.16.1 is actually installed. Simply open up the Minecraft launcher and open up the versions list at the bottom over here. As you can see, I have Optifine 1.15.2 pre-release installed, but that doesn't matter. With all of your mods aside, all you need to do is make sure that 1.16.1 is installed and you're able to play it. Of course, if you don't see it on your list over here, head across to the Installations tab, click New. We'll give it a name as such, and then in the versions list, we'll make sure to select 1.16.1. Click Create if you don't already have one, and then simply select it from this drop-down menu over here. After you have 1.16.1 selected, click Play. It'll download any missing files, and then it should launch up. After it's launched up, we see the main menu like this. You don't need to do anything here but quit the game and head across to the first link in the description down below. You'll get taken across to the Optifine download page. When you're here, at the very top, click Preview Versions right under this bar at the top. Then look for Optifine 1.16.1 and find the latest release using the date on the right and the preview release counter over here. As you can see, the preview release for 1.15.2 is currently number 30 and 1.16.1 is pre-release 2, released about 4 days ago. Simply click Download or Mirror and then click this link over here. If you get an advert pop-up, simply close it, come back, try to start the download again, and eventually you should get the download over here. I'll wait for this to complete, and because I'm using Chrome downloading an executable file, it's going to ask me if I'm sure that I want to keep it. When it does this, I'll simply make sure to click Keep. Then with the Minecraft launcher closed, I'll open up the .jar, and we'll see this on our screen over here. As you can see, Optifine HD Ultra G2 Pre-2, or whatever version you've downloaded for Minecraft 1.16.1. Simply click Install as long as this address over here is the correct one for your normal Minecraft. By default, it is. So I'll click Install and wait for it to finish. Okay, now all we need to do is simply open up the Minecraft launcher. In the bottom left, you can see it's already selected, but if it's not, simply find it on the list. Optifine 1.16.1 Optifine HD G2 Pre-2. Of course, yours might be slightly different. Simply click Play, the game will download any missing files if there are any, and will launch it up into the main menu. There we go, in the bottom left you can see Minecraft 1.16.1 brackets modded. If we head into the options menu, video settings, you can see that we have Optifine HD G2 Pre-2 Ultra. Then we can go ahead and adjust some settings, performance settings, etc, and we'll end up with much better graphics. If I turn off fast render, we can turn on shaders. After adding Seuss to my Optifine shaders folder, I'll simply select it, the game will reload, I can click Done, Done, Done again, Single Player, and load up into any world. There we go, now that I've loaded in, you can see that shaders are working as expected. I can tweak some settings in the option Video Settings over here, and we're still running 1.16.1. Of course, it'll take some tweaking to get going properly, but as you can see, shaders are working properly. Trees are doing the little jiggly thing, there's a bunch of shadows, and things look generally amazing, working on 1.16.1. Of course, with shaders disabled and fast render on, you'll get way better performance. Opening up the F3 menu, you should see that your FPS is incredibly high. Of course, I've got it rendering 32 chunks, so eventually when it loads in all of these chunks, my FPS should be a lot higher. But besides that, the game's working perfectly as expected with Optifine installed and things are great. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!